G'day guys, James here. Thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate so many people applying for it, and I'm hoping to give some more information on what this project entails. Hopefully this works really well as a lead generation tool, and I'm able to expand this role from being sort of 10, 15 hours a week to being full-time work. There's a lot of opportunity in this if it's executed well. I just want to show you how I'm trying to find leads. So I own an app marketing agency. We try to improve basically. If you have an iPhone or an Android, my marketing agency tries to make these photos prettier and this copy be more keyword orientated. So that's how we add value to businesses. I specialize in sports betting and sports, and that's kind of the vertical that we exclusively focus on at the moment. That means sports betting, casino, financial technology companies, lottery companies, sports betting, daily fantasy sports. I'm trying to get clients in the USA because US dollar pays the most, and it's the most competitive space. And many of my clients are in that place at the moment. I have a creative guy that I work with, but it's a two-man team at the moment. Now, what I'm trying to do is find apps that are relevant in this space. So right now, I'm on the Apple charts for the US. You can see US there. I'm on the Apple charts for the US in the specific category of sport, and it's the top 100 applications here. I'm looking at the free ones as well. So this is just this is some inspiration and clients to be able to gather. Now, Prize Picks are one of the most famous in this space, and I'm going to show you how I use the Apple Store as one of many places to discover some people to reach out to. So I'm going to look up Prize Picks. And then I'm going to go, first of all, sometimes you need to use the developer app just in case the business is called by its LLC. But we'll go to LinkedIn. There's a bunch of different ways we can do this actually. But now I can scroll via LinkedIn, and we're looking for the head of the marketing team, the head of the growth channel. We're trying to help their acquisition team grow the product. So we go into Prize Picks. I'm looking at, if I haven't already chosen that, looking for people. Now, one way to do it would be to look up marketing this way. Why does that? And then the director's probably not quite high enough. Senior manager, VIP, no. Marketing analytics, VP. So we're looking for sort of VP of marketing or acquisition. So that, one way to do it is just by scrolling as I'm doing now. I'll make myself a little smaller here. One way to do it is by scrolling that way. The other way, VP, head of marketing, Prize Picks. All right, that looks like certainly one of my guys is Josh. So I'm going to grab his name, bring it over here. I'm separating. I'm sure you guys will be able to do this a lot faster than me, which is why I'm outsourcing it. Doing that, I think he was the VP, head of marketing. And then type in Prize Picks, LinkedIn URL. And then his email address. Now I'm going to come over to here and use Apollo. Now I've already made this filter search. So I've looked up really basic login. So Apollo.io. I know some of you would have used this. I'm not using any of the name functionality, but I'm searching. The only filter that I have is in this management level. So you can see I'm in the job title section. Underneath that, we've got management level. And I'm looking for people in the C-suite. It could be a founder in the C-suite, or a VIP or a head of or a senior marketing person. Then I'm going to tick marketing, and then it's really shortlisted just a perfect amount of people that I want to be reaching out to. It's unfortunate that on this example, we can't get Josh's email. Looks like he's not there. Chief Marketing Officer, so we'll grab Mark Iris as well. CMO. So it looks like he works on the product as well. So there's going to be ways that you guys are going to be able to do this much faster than me and create a much more helpful database. But Mark seems to be highly relevant as well. So I'm going to put him in here. You can clean up the formatting afterwards. Why that's tricky. What's it say? And we got Mark's email. Oops, wrong one. So I'm sure you guys get it, and then from here we're gonna add these people eventually to, or potentially immediately to, instantly, and use a 2 email sequence to reach out to them, which I would have already scripted. But the opportunity here will be also to customize it a little bit. So we can discuss that on a separate Loom or as you progress. But there's room to take on more of this journey. All I'm looking for right now is someone that can help me build this database by identifying the right apps in multiple categories. And again, I'll lay this all out for you guys. But looking for people in sports, apps in sports. We're also happy to look at finance. We're going to grab all of these. Some of these companies are enormous, right? So that they might be a little bit too big. And again, I'll provide some filtering information for that. But largely, we're looking for all of these companies and hundreds more to create this database. This is just sports, so I can rename this sheet to sports. Then we can fill this out down the bottom, so we'll have finance, can have entertainment, so we've got casino apps. Actually, casino is separate as a games app. Anyway, you guys get the point. I'm looking for the app name, first name, last name, their title in the business, and their email address, and their LinkedIn URL. I might add some more fields, but largely this is what I'm looking for you to be able to do, is find people either searching from here or just using the database within Apollo, where you can make industry keywords and you can just filter this via industry, and you might be able to delete Prize Picks and look through the industry. So there's a lot of room for growth here. I'm looking for thousands and thousands of leads. I'm looking to send thousands of emails a week. If you can help me do that, please apply. Let me know your process. How would you do it differently? How would you make it more efficient? What experience have you had doing this before? If you can let me know. I'm looking to make a decision in the next few days and potentially bring on a couple of people. I don't think I'll give this role to one person. I want to probably get a few people to show their skill set, and there's room to keep multiple people on, as it's a really valuable skill. Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate you putting the time in. Thank you.